We here at Palmerton Junior High are major animal lovers. Dogs, cats, we consider our furry friends part of our family. And we only want the best quality, nutritious food for our favorite family members. That's why we went to Nestle Purina Pet Care in Allentown to figure out why their food is made and also to discover what's so cool about manufacturing.
Did you know that Nestle Purina manufactures a major portion of the cat and dog food needed for the entire United States? That's millions of products each day. Human hands could never keep up with that kind of demand, so this manufacturer relies heavily on automated machines. Most of the automation is run by a SCADA program, a computer system that has over 200,000 talking points that move cans, pouches, and pallets throughout the facility.
With all this focus on robots, we learned that there are some things that only humans can do. How can we possibly be sure that our furry friends are getting the best possible product? Well, quality assurance needs to examine a sensory sample.
So the purpose of quality at the factory is so that we can do that final check before the product makes its way to the customer. So it is quality's responsibility to make sure that all the quality checks throughout the process, beginning raw material to packaging, were done correctly. And if there's any quality defect, our responsibility is to hold and contain that product.
With all this work done by machines, there's bound to be something that goes wrong once in a while. Actual human employees are vital to the plant running smoothly and fixing any mechanical issues that arise.
There's 5 people in my department, and when maintenance can't fix it, operations can't make it run, engineering doesn't know what to do, they call the controls group and we fix it. Somehow, some way, we make it run. So there's 5 of us in our department, and we are on call 24/7, 365. One of us has to be able to take the phone call.
Took a lot of courses that blueprint, welding courses, hydraulics, here at the practices, math courses.